In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Cash App on Plaid. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So using Plaid to link your bank account to Cash App, let's do this following steps. So in your Cash App account, just navigate to your profile. So tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now select Link Banks. Now, then tap on Link Bank. Now choose your bank and follow the prompts. So from there, you might want to add your Plaid information, such as the account number, your CVV number, and expiration date. So now, after logging in, log into your bank account through Plaid and verify your bank account. So just by doing these steps, that is how easy you can add your Cash App on Plaid. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.